Welcome back to Modern Girls. Join me as I try to get my entire morning makeup routine done in just 5 minutes using these quick hacks. As a busy girl, I know how hard it can be to balance a busy schedule while still wanting to look polished and put together for the day. Being busy doesn't mean we can't look great, it just means we need to get creative with our time and find ways to simplify our morning routines. Many of us are constantly juggling work, school, and social lives, leaving little time for elaborate makeup looks. We want to look good, but we don't have hours to spend in front of the mirror. That's why I've been on a mission to find the best morning makeup hacks that can help us achieve a flawless face in no time. I've tried countless products and techniques, and today I'm excited to share my favorites with you. From multi-use products to time-saving tricks, I've got you covered. Finding the right products and techniques can make all the difference in our morning routines. We need products that are easy to use, require minimal effort, and can be applied quickly. We also need techniques that can help us cut down on time without compromising on the quality of our makeup looks. I've discovered some amazing products that can be used in multiple ways, saving us time and space in our makeup bags. I've also learned some clever techniques that can help us achieve a professional-looking finish in just a few minutes. One of my favorite hacks is using a tinted moisturizer that provides sheer coverage and hydration, perfect for busy mornings when we don't have time for a full face of foundation. I simply apply it with my fingers and blend it into my skin for a natural-looking finish. I've also been loving a brow pencil that's super easy to use and gives my brows a polished look in seconds. It's amazing how a simple product like this can make such a big difference in our overall look. Another hack I swear by is a mascara that gives my lashes volume and length in just one coat. It's so quick and easy to apply, and it makes my eyes look bigger and more awake. My ultimate game-changing hack is a makeup stick that can be used as a concealer, foundation, and powder all in one. It's so versatile and easy to use, and it saves me so much time in the morning. I just apply it to any areas of my face that need coverage, and I'm good to go. This makeup stick has been a total lifesaver on busy mornings when I'm running late. It's also great for touch-ups throughout the day, as it's so easy to apply and blend into my skin. I've also been using this stick to contour and highlight my face, which gives me a more defined and radiant look. It's amazing how one product can do so many things. By using these hacks, we can save so much time in the morning and still look great. We can use the extra time to focus on other things, like enjoying a cup of coffee or simply relaxing before the day begins. In summary, these quick and easy makeup hacks can totally transform our morning routines and give us the confidence to take on the day. Thanks for watching, don't forget to comment below with your own favorite makeup hacks, and I'll see you in my next video for more beauty tips and tricks.